Is your 2019 GMC Sierra backup camera showing a frustrating blue screen instead of the view behind you? Statistics show that over 85% of these cases are actually just minor software glitches. Let us break down the diagnostic steps to get your display back in action. Start by force rebooting the infotainment system, then inspect your tailgate wiring harness for any obvious damage. Common culprits include outdated firmware, moisture in the rear connector, or a failing camera module. Use an OBDI scanner to look for specific body codes that can pinpoint the exact module failing. Try the basic resets first, but know when it is time to let a professional handle the module reflashing. Most software resets cost nothing, while hardware replacements can quickly climb into the hundreds. If you still see blue, have a dealer check for specific technical service bulletins tied to your VIN. Keep a basic multimeter and contact cleaner in your toolkit for these types of electrical gremlins. Remember, always disconnect the battery before you start probing electrical connectors to avoid shorting any sensitive modules. Follow these steps to clear that blue screen and get back on the road safely.